So, you may know by now that I love Bubble. I really do. I got this Bubble Charm School Coffee Lip Balm and Charm Set. I love this. The package is so cute. And let me open it for y'all. First up is charms. Look at these charms. They're so cute. Let me open them. So this is the first charm. It says Bubble. The second one is this. Then the last one is this one. It says Face the Day. And then for the main event, the Tell All Lip Balm, Coffee Lip Balm. That's what it looks like. It smells exactly like coffee. I love it. It's really hydrating as well. But that's all I have for you today.